Hi everyone, my name is Vijaya. Now I am going to explain about Tally ERP9. Tally ERP9 is a financial accounting package. It is recognized as a leading accounting package across the world. In Tally, we pass voucher entries. Now I am going to explain about voucher entries in Tally. We use function keys for entering voucher entries. First one, F1 to select a company. As we create so many companies, we can select by pressing F1. By selecting F1, we can select a company. Function F2 for date. To change the date, function F2. Alt F2 for change the period of the date. Function F4 for contra entries. As contra entries means bank entries. As we deposit money into the bank, withdraw money from the bank, bank payments, bank receipts, all under comes under bank entries under contra entries, that is function F4. F4 for used for bank entries. F5 for payments. F5 function F5 for payments. As we paid salary, paid electricity bill, paid phone bill, all comes under F5 function F5 for payments. F6 for receipts. F6 for receipts. As we receive commission received, rent received, power city bill received, these all comes under receipts, that is F6. Function F7 for general entries, that is depreciation of computer, interest on capital, investment profit and loss shared by the partners in the company, interest on drawings comes under general entries, that is F7. F8 for sales vouchers. As we sold a computer, it is come under F8 sales. F9 for purchases. F9 function F9 for purchases. If we purchase a furniture or a computer, it comes under F9. F10 for memorandum of vouchers. And so many we have shortcut keys in Tally. We can operate by keyboard. Shortcut keys: Alt plus D for delete a voucher, Alt plus 8 to add a voucher, and for purchase order shortcut key is Alt F4, Alt F5 for sales order, Control F8 for debit note.